Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about extreme couponing, saving you money, giving you 15 to 20+% cash back on all your online purchases. So the personal finance community, I'm sure everyone is aware of the cashback rewards credit cards or rewards credit cards in general. They're everywhere nowadays and there are a ton of awesome options to choose from. I recently got the Citi Double Cashback rewards card. I might make a review of that in the future. But that card gives you 2% cash back pretty much on everything you buy using the card. And we have other cards giving you 1.5%, 2%. Other cards giving you up to 5% on certain categories such as travel, dining, entertainment, so on and so forth. So if you're after rewards, trying to get more out of your money, get paid for using your credit card, there are a ton of options out there for you. But as most people are doing a lot more online shopping than we were 10, 15 years ago, and especially now during the stay-at-homes, we're shopping online, not going into the stores as much. There's a lot of money left behind on the table. Some things that people don't even think about and doesn't cost you a cent will only take a couple minutes of your time for you to earn some easy additional cash back on top of what your rewards credit card gives you. We all know and have heard about the old school extreme couponing where people go and clip coupons, look for manufacturer rebates, and get cartloads of groceries for just a couple dollars. But now in the digital era, the era of online shopping, we have something similar as well, combining your credit card rewards cards with cashback websites, with sales and discounts from retailers. It might not be getting electronics and clothes for pennies on the dollar, but it will save you a meaningful amount of money if you do a decent amount of online shopping. So step one, the first thing I would recommend people look into are rewards portals or cashback websites that give you money for shopping through an affiliated link and whatever they're offering at the time. And these rewards rates will also vary from time to time. You might see Nike at 1% one day, they might have a 10% the other day. So keep an eye out, set alerts, or just pay attention to these portals to make sure you're maximizing the amount. And some examples of these, I'm sure people have heard of Honey, Rakuten, Swagbucks, or even have seen offers on your own credit card rewards portals saying you can get an extra cash back for shopping at these places or for activating these offers. So it seems like this has popped up in the past 5 or so years. They're everywhere now, tons of websites. There are a couple big name ones, some smaller name ones out there. But basically, they give you money, as I said, for shopping online using that link, and there's not much else you have to do. So like I said, there are a ton of these programs out there, but there's a website, Cashback Monitor, that actually lists out a bunch of retailers and what the rewards rates are for different online portals, from Honey to Rakuten to even rewards portals through credit cards, or shopping with your miles, getting rewards through that. So take a look at that, use it to compare different amounts and see where you can maximize your cash back. But if you'd rather take a more hands-off approach, something more automated or easier, you don't want to make an account on 5 different websites and you might get $10 here, $5 here, add them all up. You want all your rewards in one place. You can stick to some of the more popular ones that have browser extensions, Honey, Rakuten, where as you're shopping, as you're checking out, just click that button. It'll log the shopping trip for you. It'll sometimes even try to run through coupon codes to help you save more money or give you some extra cash back just for using those links. All right, so this is one way to automate the process, but another way, as I mentioned, through your credit card rewards portals. And this might be easier if you want a more hands-off approach as well, because since it's linked with your credit card and your credit card is linked with that rewards programs, anytime you use your credit card on those merchants, it'll automatically give you those credits as a statement credit, and it'll go to your statement and your balance without you having to do anything, signing up through a third party. So that's another option as well. And these websites can usually net you anywhere from at least 1% to 20, 25, 30, or even more depending on what the sale is or what the retailer is. So it's definitely great to look at these. And we could stack these on with number 2, the store-specific rewards programs. So most retailers out there have some sort of loyalty program or some program that you can sign up for. You get rewards, you get points for spending X amount of dollars or for buying X amount of items. So if you are a frequent shopper at certain websites, don't necessarily want to commit to that store credit card, store branded credit card, you can sign up to the free program and just get some discounts or coupon codes or just for shopping there. This is absolutely free most of the time. We're not talking about any premium or paid experiences or signing up for any credit cards. Those will also probably give you better rewards, but you might not necessarily want to commit to that level of dedication to the store or retailer. So this is another great way to stay up to date on any sales they have and to get some free perks as well. And number 3, coupon and deal websites. These are websites and newsletters that give you updates to all the new and hot ongoing sales across the internet. They'll be able to aggregate sales from all over the internet and tell you what's good in a quick and easy to read format, so you don't have to go searching. Everything's in one place. Things such as Slick Deals or Like a Coupon can get deals sent straight to your email. It's pretty bad if you're trying to save money because you just feel like you want to buy everything that's on there. But a lot of deals from Amazon, Nike, popular brands, and also a lot of free stuff too as well. So use these monitor guides and sale guides to keep track of the sales. If you know what you want and are just waiting for a sale to happen, stores have sales all the time, not just during the holiday season or during summer blowout sales. They have sales all the time, and you can find a steal as long as you're out there looking for it. And the great thing about this is if a store is having a clearance sale or a 15% off everything, you can stack your credit card rewards and those rewards portals on top of any sales that the stores have, because those come after the fact and there will be no limitations. Often sales will be restricted to certain items or certain lines of clothing. For example, Adidas, Ultra Boost sometimes aren't on sale through the official website. So the first 2 points, the credit card rewards and the online portals, will always work as long as you go through the proper channels. There usually aren't any restrictions on them. And the 4th way I've come up with when extreme couponing online is to look for gift cards out there from reputable sellers for lower than face value. So for example, if I'm trying to buy something that's $100 and I can get a $100 gift card for $90, that's already a 10% discount. Now, when you are using a gift card, you won't be able to get any credit card rewards, and you might not be able to use rewards portals, cashback, depending on the merchant. But this will give you an easy 5 to 10% off in a lot of cases if you can find someone that has a gift card that they don't want to use, willing to sell it to you at a reduced price. But one thing you do want to be aware of is if you try to return anything or you don't want something that you've used a gift card to purchase, you won't be getting that refund back to your credit card. They'll most likely give you a gift card in return for that exchange. So if it's a merchant that you don't shop there very often, you might be stuck with this gift card that you're not able to use. So just some things to keep in mind if you go that route. Now, these were 4 easy tips I talked about. There's a ton of discount opportunities out there online shopping, and with these extensions and these programs, there should be no reason you aren't saving at least an extra % on all your online shopping, even through Amazon and eBay. I think they usually have at least 1% off that you can use, and people go crazy over 1% or 2% cash back on a credit card. And although credit cards can be used in a lot more settings, in-person shopping at other stores that may not have an online presence, I'm pretty sure these days everyone is doing at least some type of online shopping, so it doesn't hurt at all to get at least a couple extra dollars out of it. And at the end of the day, it adds up. Just like a credit card rewards, 2%, it might not seem like a lot on a one-time purchase, but if you get 2% on everything you buy for an entire year, that will probably add up to couple $100, couple $1,000, depending on how much you spend. And before I wrap up this video, I want to go over some things that you should keep in mind when dealing with these online services and getting this cash back from sources other than your credit card. So when you sign up with programs such as Honey or Rakuten or Swagbucks, it may take a while for you to actually get that cash back. So it might take a couple weeks or a month for the transaction to be posted on your account and for them to put those reward monies into your account. So be wary for that. And another thing, look out for redemption minimums. So the minimum amount of money or rewards you have to have earned before you can cash out or to spend it on rewards. If it's a pretty high minimum, you might have to do a lot of shopping through that portal to redeem any money. And also check if they allow for cash rewards or if it's redeemed for a gift card or some other sort of monetary payment. Some will mail you a check or let you transfer that money into a PayPal account, but others you might have to redeem that for gift cards. And a lot of people, Amazon, Visa gift cards, or if you're buying something, it's pretty easy to use just like cash. But if you are going for cash only, you might be limited with some options out there. So you do have to be diligent and read the fine print and kind of take an extra minute to understand how these programs work and how these accounts work. They're usually tracked through an online link. So if you have ad blockers or cookies disabled, or if they're not able to track your transaction, they might not have it recorded. You might not get your cash back. So sometimes you might have to reach out to support and talk with someone in order to get those monies into your account as well. So it is an extra step on top of just swiping your card, getting that instant 2% cash back. But at the end of the day, money is money. We're trying to save as much money as we can. Obviously, the best way is to spend less, but we all got to spend our money on something or else there's no point in making money. And before I leave, I also want to just warn everyone out there, the marketing jargons, there is a lot of spam and a lot of not great deals out there on those websites or deal email lists. It'll say 70% off clearance, but it's most likely some small accessories. The main items usually won't be heavily discounted, so don't take it at face value. Like, search around, price shop, do all that stuff. And now we can add on this extra cashback knowledge you have to give you extra money, put it in your pocket, save it for retirement, college, big ticket item spend, whatever it may be. Some extra money in your pocket doesn't hurt at all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you thought it was useful, liked it, got some extra money in your pocket, hit that like button. Would really appreciate the support. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already to stay up to date, get notifications on all new videos and uploads. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching once again. Peace out.